How long will it take before my case is settled? Hi, I'm Jeff Heck, Mansfield's injury lawyer. We at the Heck Law Offices in Mansfield, Ohio, get that question all the time from many of our clients. And the answer is always the same. It depends. And while that's not a very satisfying answer, hopefully this short video will give you some ideas about the things that go into that determination. The first thing we have to do when a claim comes to us is determine the question of responsibility, of legal liability. We have to do investigation. We have to determine whether or not we believe we can prove that the opposing party is actually legally responsible, legally liable for your injury. Because the insurance company, if they can, will certainly try to point the finger at you and claim you are legally liable if they possibly can. So that's step one. Step two then is very dependent on you. And that is, are you well? And have you reached what we call maximum medical improvement? And maximum medical improvement comes when your medical care is all completed and you're all done and you're either well and back to normal or you're as good as you're going to get. Until that step happens, we don't recommend resolving your claim. I've been doing this 30 years. And in that period of time, we've had clients who've insisted on proceeding forward before they've reached that stage because they're in a hurry to get their resolution. And I've seen some very sad situations where clients have then realized they have much more serious things wrong with them. They need much more medical care and treatment. They may have much bigger problems, and now they're done. They can't go back and reopen their claim. So we very strenuously try to convince our clients to wait until they're at maximum medical improvement until we proceed. Once you're at maximum medical improvement, then what we do is we gather all of your medical bills, all of your medical records, all of your lost wage information and your out-of-pocket expenses, and we evaluate all of that. We use our years of experience to try to evaluate and come up with a figure that we think is a fair figure or a fair range of figures for determining what your claim is worth. And we submit that along with a large packet of material to the insurance company. We then wait for the insurance company to do its own evaluation, to look through our materials, and they'll respond back to us at some point. Sometimes that happens quickly and sometimes that takes a while, but at some point they will respond back to us with a proposal, and then we're in the process of negotiation. The negotiation process may go quickly. We may be able to go back and forth and reach a resolution fairly quickly, or it may take a much longer period of time. Again, an unsatisfying answer, but it just kind of depends on the situation. The one thing we can assure you is we will keep you in the loop and let you know how things are going during that period of time, and any lawyer should do that for you. If we can reach a resolution, then we do if we think it's fair and reasonable. If we can't reach a resolution, then we sit down with our clients and we give them all the pros and the cons of proceeding forward with formal action, like a lawsuit or like proceeding forward to an actual trial. All of those things take time, but that's the quick answer to how long will it take before my injury claim is resolved. I do this every day, and so I'm happy to answer that and other questions for you if you have them. Call me, Jeff Heck, at the Heck Law Offices in Mansfield. Thanks for visiting with me today.